Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, as you can see overnight, a little bit more weaker for the Australian dollar as it presses on towards that 64 simple day moving average at 64, 65.85. I would keep an eye on this level here because the MACD hasn't fully broken down even though the RSI has, and we could get another rejection from this area and see a bounce back towards 66 cents and still continue to coast in this sideways conservative manner. Turning to the euro, the market since breaking that trend has followed on to the downside and now trades towards that 115.15 area. I feel the market may find soon bargain hunters as we're getting a little bit low to the RSI, and then seeing a little bit to the divergent side from the RSI and also from the MACD could see a bounce and therefore look back towards 116 as a potential target. Looking at dollar yen, the market was hesitant as it got towards that top side area around 149. And like previously, we have seen bull traps, and again, I anticipate one, and therefore looking for a pullback towards 147 to 146. Turning to sterling, a little bit weaker, but finding a bit of demand as it retests the bottom side of the range around the 133 area. Looking at the pattern, I feel with the divergence that's seen here, could see a bounce very soon and look back towards the region of 134 to 135. Gold finding a little bit of demand, and the bargain hunters returning close towards that 3,300 area. And from the current pattern, I feel we could see a bounce now back towards the top side area around 3,340 to 50 and reassess. Wrapping up with oil, the market rallied and now exceeds its objective of $68 a barrel. So it's now time to reassess and see how we're looking in case we see an extension on to $71 a barrel. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the great start to the day.